Hello everybody, this is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. In this video I'm going to show you how to use my Canva template for stationery stickers. When you download your purchase, you will see there's a PDF. I named it silhouette sticker because I have stickers for UV DTF as well. But this can also be used in a Cricut, but I don't know them, so I am naming mine silhouette so that there's a difference. So then you will just go to the link. Here's your link. Click on the purple button below, and when you click on the link, it will automatically open in Canva. When you scroll down, you will see view template. And then you just follow the prompts until it opens in Canva. Okay, so there you will see all the stickers on this A4 sheet. So you can rename it if you want, but I'm going to show you now how to use it. In the previous video I showed you how to design stationery stickers in Canva, so that you can cut it with your electronic cutter. So in that video I used an outline to my sticker, because you will need that outline when you bring that into Silhouette Studio. But if you use this template, you don't need to add an outline to that sticker, because that will be automatically saved as a white background if you choose only a white background with your name. So I have done here two, one is black and white and one is color. Client asked for a Barbie theme. For the background, I typed in here pink gradient background, and I scrolled through every one until I got something that I like. And I add the name and my Barbie. This Barbie I downloaded from the internet. If you go to my uploads here, I've downloaded it with a white background. So I've just clicked on my background remover so that I only have that Barbie. So I've already downloaded both stickers. Now I will go to my template, and I will go to my uploads to go look for my two stickers. I will bring him in. I'm just going to show you quickly with a white, only with a black and white. You will see there's no outline like in my previous video. So you will only drag this. Okay, let me see if it goes into there. Okay. So now you will see there's no outline, but I'm going to do, let me get that one out first. So I'm going to go to there. Okay, let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just clicking on them here on the left, and then it's automatically on my workspace. So I'm just going to do that on the top row so that you can see at the end how does it look like. Then I'm going to do this is the only part that takes some time, is you have to add the stickers one by one to go and drag it into the frame. So I will pause the video, and then I will get back when I'm finished doing this. Okay, so now I'm finished with my sticker sheet. I'm just going to do the last two. I want to show you the frame will grab the sticker and place it correctly into that sides. Okay, so now my sticker sheet is finished. No need to space it, to trying to get everything straight. Everything's done for you. Then when you are finished, you will download, and you have to choose transparent background. Even if for the UV DTF template, you need to download it as a transparent background. That's very important, otherwise you're not gonna get each sticker selected. So now I'm gonna download it. And then you will see that white ones on the top. When you bring this into your Silhouette Studio, I believe with Cricut as well, because it's a transparent PNG, it detects every sticker. In the next video, I will show you in Silhouette Studio how to use it, so then you will see how it selects everyone. So I'm just going to save this for now. So all of them work in the same way. I've showed you the plain black and white and color. If you want to add any character, I usually ask my client what your child like at the moment, and I design my stickers according to that. Okay, so this is the video for how to use the templates. Like I said, all of them work in the same way, and I'll see you in the next video.